Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. Just figured I'd do a little shoot of some random shit I had laying around here. Nothing super spectacular. A lot of this stuff was given to me by friends, so I appreciate that always. Let's see here. We got the Duck brand, the newer version, the 50S. 2-inch tanks. Woodpeckers everybody has. The fake mermaids with the boobs. Double voice. Little modern cherry bomb. And a homemade triangle cracker. We'll see how it all sounds. It's a little windy out here, so hopefully it turns out good. First up, we got the Mermaid. This pack of woodpeckers is raggedy, man. I don't even know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Alright, we got the 2-inch tanks. These are pretty cool looking little crackers. My hands are cold as shit. It's about 9 degrees here right now. Slow burning wick right there. I like that. Oh, that ain't bad. Got the modern ducks, the 50S. Got the ghetto bird flying over up there. I'm sure they're not looking for little old me. Ooh, those are pretty freaking decent. Little homemade triangle. Alright, we got an original double voice cracker. Last time I lit one of these, it shot up about 5 feet. So let's hope it goes a little higher this time. Last but not least, we got the cherry. It's gonna light and chuck this bad boy. My hands are getting cold.